Class 8 Science, Chapter 14, Chemical Effects of Electric Current, and in this video I am going to explain the answers of exercise questions. First question, fill in the blanks. Most liquids that conduct electricity are solutions of. What should be the answer? Answer is solutions of acids, bases and salts. Second, the passage of an electric current through a solution causes, when we pass the electric current to the solution, it causes chemical effects. If you pass current through copper sulfate solution, copper gets deposited on the plate connected to the terminal of the battery. Answer is negative terminal of the battery. Actually, in this case, when copper sulfate is dissolved in the solution, copper ions are produced which are positively charged, and these positively charged ions go to that plate which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called, answer is electroplating. Question 2. When the free ends of a tester are dipped into a solution, the magnetic needle shows deflection. Can you explain the reason? Answer is, the deflection in magnetic needle shows that the circuit is complete and the solution conducts electricity, that is, it is a good conductor. Next question. Name 3 liquids which when tested in the manner shown in this figure, may cause the magnetic needle to deflect. Okay, answer is vinegar, lemon juice and tap water. You can also give the another examples or another names of another liquids which are conducting. Okay, it may be a solution of acid, base or salt. Next question 4. The bulb does not glow in the setup shown in this figure. List the possible reasons and explain your answer. The bulb may not glow because of the following reasons. The wires in the circuit may be loosely connected. The bulb may be fused. The cells may be used up. Or the liquid may be a poor conductor of electricity. Next question. A tester is used to check the conduction of electricity through 2 liquids labeled A and B. It is found that the bulb of the tester glows brightly for liquid A, while it glows very dimly for liquid B. You would conclude that options are liquid A is a better conductor than liquid B. Second option, liquid B is a better conductor than liquid A. Third option, both liquids are equally conducting. And fourth option, conducting properties of liquid cannot be compared in this manner. Now, how can we choose the correct answer? Actually, in case of liquid A, bulb of the tester glows brightly. Okay, and in case of liquid B, this is not bright, this is dim. So we can say liquid A is better conductor than liquid B. So answer first is correct. Question next 6. Does pure water conduct electricity? If not, what can we do to make it conducting? No. Pure water does not conduct electricity because it does not contain any dissolved salt, or actually these salts produce the ions, positively charged and negatively charged species are known as ions. So it does not contain any ion, that's why it will not conduct the electricity. But when acid or base or salt is dissolved in pure water, it conducts electricity. Next question, question 7. In case of a fire, before the firemen use the water hoses. Okay, in case of a fire, before the firemen use the water hoses, they shut off the main electrical supply for the area. Explain why they do this. Okay, यदि कहीं आग लगती है तो आग बुझाने वाले जो व्यक्ति होते हैं वो पानी यूज में लेने से पहले वहां की पूरे एरिया की इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई को बंद कर देते हैं। क्यों? आंसर है द वाटर यूज्ड इन द वाटर होजेस is not pure, it is not pure water and is a good conductor of electricity. So the firemen shut off the electric supply before spraying water to save themselves and other people from electric shock. Otherwise, the firemen and other peoples may get electric shock. Question 8. A child staying in a coastal region tastes the drinking water and also the sea water with his taster. He finds that the compass needle deflects more in the case of seawater. Can you explain the reason? Answer is the seawater contains a large amount of salts in comparison to drinking water. Hence, the seawater is a better conductor of electricity and it produces a stronger magnetic field in the wire and hence deflects the compass needle more. Next, question 9. Is it safe for the electrician to carry out electrical repairs outdoors during heavy downpour? Explain. Heavy downpour का मतलब जब बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हो रही है तब क्या इलेक्ट्रिशियन को बाहर की तरफ काम करना चाहिए? आंसर है या बाहर की तरफ काम करना सेफ है? आंसर है नो. It is not safe to repair electrical appliances outdoor during heavy downpour. This is because rainwater contains dissolved salts. Therefore, rainwater can conduct electricity. The electrician may get electrical shocks while working outdoors during rain. Question 10. Paheli had heard that rainwater is as good as distilled water. So, she collected some rainwater in a clean glass tumbler and tested it using a tester. To her surprise, she found that the compass needle showed deflection. What could be the reasons? Distilled water is pure water, does not contain dissolved salts. Okay, but rainwater contains dissolved salts. Or we can say when this is rainwater is coming, whatever the gas is present in the atmosphere like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, these dissolve in this water and make it good conductor. Okay, so the compass needle showed deflection. Question 11. Prepare a list of objects around you that are electroplated. Number of items are there. Some items I have listed. Objects that are electroplated are door handles, taps, rims of cycles, showers, the handlebar of cycles and bikes, gas burner, tin cans, metallic almirahs, buckles of belts, gold-plated ornaments, iron pipes, body of desert cooler, etc. Okay, you can also add some more items which are around you. Question 12. The process that you saw in activity 14.7, that is the diagram of this 14.7, this is this diagram. Okay, and this is used for purification of copper. Actually, this diagram represents the electroplating and this is used for the purification of copper. A thin plate of pure copper and a thick rod of impure copper are used as electrodes. Copper from impure rod is sought to be transferred to the thin copper plate. Which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery and why? Okay, now just see. This diagram represents the electrolytic refining of copper, or simply we can say purification of copper. Now in this case, the impure copper is, this is the impure copper, rod of impure copper. Okay, this is attached with the positive terminal of the battery, and this thin pure plate of copper, this is attached with the negative terminal of the battery. When the circuit is completed, what happens? Actually, copper from this impure copper rod goes into the solution as a copper ions, and these copper ions deposit to this negative electrode as a copper metal. Okay, so our answer is copper ion is positively charged it is attracted towards the plate which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. As copper ions are transferred to the thin copper plate, okay, this thin pure copper plate must be connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel to get the next video from new chapter. Thank you.